those packets which was being sealed on the name of the government and distributed to the poor laborers, the same was being packed by Mr. Arvind Nimbavali. In his Modi's name, Chief Minister Yediyurappa's name, and the BJP his photograph, which was being shown. And the same video was being released. And earlier also, you have seen a video of he taking out, after I made a press conference, he is taking out the stickers out of it. Now in a similar way, this is the children's food. This is the children's food which was being given for this Anganwadi, through the Anganwadis, for the children, for the midday meal in the afternoon, which was being supplied for the nutrition food. This food was being given to the Anganwadis. Anganwadi used to help the children. This has been taken away and repacked by the BJP leaders. This is what is going in the state of Karnataka. A Congress MLA is there, Mr. D.K. Suresh is the MP, and in such constituency things are going on. What about the entire state?
So this itself is a scam, you feel so?
Not only this scam, this is the biggest criminal act. Already a FIR has been registered. Still arrests have not been made. We appeal to the government. I request the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister to look at what is going in the state of Karnataka. It is a shame on the manhood. It is shame for the children. These children, even if you want to secure the children food for having your political party, I think we are ashamed of it.
So second thing is the same government which said they will help the migrant laborers to move from district to district are charging thrice the price of a normal ticket. From here to Yadgir, for example, is costing somewhere around 1,300 to 1,500 rupees. How will the migrant laborers pay such a heavy amount?
Yesterday, more than 40-50 migrants came and met me. They said about 1,500. No transportation, double the transportation, and no food to them on the way to the transportation. That was being said by the migrants. Immediately, I just cross-checked. I spoke to the officer also, who has been connected. He admitted. I appeal to the Prime Minister of this country, the Chief Minister of this state, to see that at least not to take any money. Pay from the government. The entire country has given you money. We have donated money. All of us has given our salaries. Still we are ready to help you in whatever way you can. You please give from the government. We have brought people from China. We have brought people from Saudi. We have brought people from foreign countries. Government has paid them, those who had capacity. For this 1,200, 300, 500 rupees, 800 rupees, you are harassing them.
Many migrant laborers are saying this is a heartless government.
See, I am telling you, even it may be a train, it may be a buses, let the government pay. Even if for private buses, government can afford to pay. I am just thinking of calling my party leaders. I have some money which have been collected. Even I am also thinking of paying that money to this transportation of these migrant laborers. See, the entire party cadres, our party cadres, more than about 80 lakh packets have been given worth about 500 to 1,000 rupees. So many social organizations, NGOs have been helping the people. Every day they are supplying lakhs of packets of food. Almost 50 lakh packets of food is being distributed in the state of Karnataka. Then such a large-hearted people are there. Why a government is doing this petty politics? It is a very shame on us. I appeal to them, request to them, demand them that free transportation should be provided. No doubt there will be a record on it. Who is going? What is there? The district authorities has to collect everything. It is not some illegal transports they are buying. They are our own people who have fought for the. You can pay from your labor fund, migrant fund, state fund. How much it may cost? It will not cost more than 3, 4, 5, 10 crores.
Sure. So
10 crores. So I appeal to them not to collect even from the day, but I am telling if you try to collect them, there is no option. I have to take it up in a political way. I have to agitate, and I have called for an agitation throughout the state on this issue.
So last thing is, our IAS officer from Karnataka, Mr. Mohammed Mohsin, has been given a show cause notice for his tweet, which said the Tabligis have given plasma for its COVID therapy, and why is no one praising Tabligis is what was tweet was. Now the state government has given him a show cause notice and asked him to reply within a specified time.
See, you know the government's attitude toward the minority people. An MLA said that we have to kill them, shot them. No FIR was been filed. He is also a government servant.
Yeah.
An MLA himself, who was a former union minister, he is also a government servant. I am an MLA, even I am also a government servant. When he was not being given a showcase notice, when no action has been not been taken, when no FIR has been filed against him, if anything an officer has done, you make it, you definitely take action if anything is wrong out of the law. But why the difference has been made? Please, this Honorable Chief Minister or the Chief Secretary should answer this.